right, guys, let's do the question time. Does San Antonio do one every month? Yes, San Antonio is big enough. They will have an auction every single month. Does Dallas County show the list before the sale? Able to talk to sellers before the auction. So yeah, all of the places that do monthly auctions that have properties coming up, they're going to publish the list the month before. So when it comes to talking to the homeowner before the auction, you can get their name, you can skip trace them, you can give them a phone call, or you could leave a letter on their doorstep and have them give you a call. That's one of the simplest ways to get into the game. Let's see. Dust on the bottle. What are the blue highlighted bank foreclosures in the calendar? Is that something to invest in? So a bank foreclosure can definitely be something to invest in. I would say it's a coin toss, because remember, with the bank foreclosure, you have to really find out what the value is, and you have to do great title work on that property, because you are inheriting everything, all of the liens, all of the mortgages, all of the taxes. So if it's a $200,000 property and the bid, it's a $190,000 first mortgage and there's back taxes, it could be questionable. However, if it's 200 grand, the opening bid, or the mortgage is 20,000, then let's play ball. But you need to be careful of first mortgages, second mortgages, back taxes. So you have to do the title research. Let's see. Vino's been saying, been watching you guys, studying the game, decided to pull the trigger on auction, ended up making $75,644 from $3,000 in Washington. Very cool. Found a way without doing the 9 to 5. Well, that's the whole name of the game and why we're here. Vinny, we would love to have you on the show. Shoot us an email, hello@taxlienschool.com. Send us the details of your deal, and it'd be great to have you on the show here to inspire some others. Would be super fun. Nice work. Definitely be interested in the sheriff's sale in Ohio. I am from Tuscarawas County.
Yes.
Let's see here. Our 7 to 17 years variety, basically looking, big files. So definitely Ohio has some good sales, and dive in. Let us know. Baltimore. Have we done Baltimore before?
No, we have not done Baltimore. There could be something good there. You could check it out too.
So remember, everything we're showing you guys here is the roadmap on how to navigate the auctions. So that's why we give this away. If you want to go to Baltimore, grab the book, read through it, and it will walk you through step by step exactly how to do it. So that's for free for everybody in the description to grab and get started with here. Somebody is saying, how can I find small plots for billboards? So we did a video called Over-the-Counter Tax Deeds. And if you just go into the live streams, you guys will see some great trainings on over-the-counter tax deeds where you'll be able to find and we'll lead you right to some cheap land. The other way to do it is to just simply get the tax deed directory and start calling. Say, for example, Idaho, give them a call. Maybe you're in Adams County, and just get the phone number, give them a call, ask them what they have for over-the-counter properties available, get the list, do some research, send somebody to go take a picture, and you're in business. So what do we have here, Josh?
This is so Baltimore, in Maryland, so it's a tax lien state. We've talked a lot about over-the-counter tax liens in Maryland, and we've seen a lot of good deals. But here they do it once a year. Here's the winner detailed report. And so we've got some pretty high full cash values. So we've got a lot of high ticket properties, a lot of stuff in the 400K range. So these are going to be some nice houses. And then we can see the tax sale amount. So that's going to be the bid, to get the property. And so I think that on average stuff looks like it was selling. I'm actually not too sure which one is which, because if this is the total amount, then that would be pretty insane. These would be some pretty insane numbers, because these ones kind of look like they're almost 50 cents on the dollar on average. Yeah, I guess I'd have to run that through AI, but yeah, so they do it once a year. And so the thing is we were just looking at counties that do it monthly, but yeah, there's definitely going to be some good deals there, and they probably have some over the counter as well. So yeah, so there's some tax sale surplus, and let's see, winning bidder summary. because I believe it's like 6 months if it's a vacant property, and you could foreclose on it. So it's pretty quick turnaround. But yeah, so you might have to wait a little bit though. And so, if you were, let's say Baltimore was your backyard, if the sale happens once a year, the next thing that you could do is just start working over the counters, like county held tax liens in Maryland. And we've seen some pretty wild deals. Check out some of our OTC videos on YouTube. But yeah, so that's where it is. I did the same thing as usual. I just typed Baltimore tax sales, and there you go.
Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right.